Hey, this is Kevin here from NC South. So we're a no-code agency, and I'm a no-code consultant. So first of all, you might think, what does that actually mean? So in very simple terms, I work with you and I empower your business by implementing no-code tools. And in terms of the tools, they're tools that don't require any custom development. So any implementation or changes can be done very quickly and with very little effort. And obviously that has the flow-on effect of a lower cost to you as the client. So I thought I'd sort of run through my service offering or how I can potentially help your business and just explain a little bit about what each of those mean and how it all fits together. So starting off, my first offering is custom development. So I offer that in two different ways. So the first of all is by building web applications. So a web application is any application that you can access through your browser, be that on your desktop or mobile or tablet. These apps are fully responsive, so they adjust depending on which screen you view them on. And it's typically something like a portal for a customer. It could be an app that their clients need to use for different things that the business offer. It can be very flexible. It's not tied to just one thing. So the sky's really the limit in terms of those type of applications. And some of the ones I've done in the past are, the first was a recruitment application. So that enabled a company to set up a screening page whenever they had a new job listing. And then applicants could apply via that screening page and then submit answers to some preset questions through video. The second one that I've done is for a vehicle assessor. So he asked for a application that he could manage recording any information that he added as part of his assessment. And then once he recorded all the information in terms of cost and parts and the like that's needed for any repairs to that vehicle, he could then generate a report in the end with that. It's pretty much an invoice PDF, and he could send that off to the panel beater. Another one is I worked with a startup client. They wanted to create an app that would allow clients of a salon to submit tests of products that they test beforehand before they had to go in for a color with the salon. So that just gives them the ability to take a photo, submit that, and then the salon can review it and make sure that everything is okay with the particular product before they actually go ahead with the appointment. At the moment, I'm working with a client that's looking to do a bit of a project management and bookings for their clients. There's also sign up involved. There'll be subscriptions that clients can pay to be part of their app and their platform. There'll be two-way communication between the client and their clients. Manage of bookings and services and the like. So a few examples of those. So the next bit of custom development that I offer is implementing SmartSuite solutions. So I'm a certified SmartSuite consultant and also a partner. So SmartSuite is great for the likes of managing any work process in your business. You can set up a CRM, you can set up a project management solution. Again, the sky's really the limit in terms of what you can use SmartSuite for. So some examples, I'm currently working with a multinational company that's transferring their business and processes for acquisitions and development of some sites that they're interested in into SmartSuite. So working on that at the moment. So lots of processes, lots of different automations to make sure that those processes are as easy and intuitive as possible for the client to pick that up. The next piece that I offer is some integration work. So you might ask, what is an integration? So in the simplest terms, you can think of it as two systems, each hold different information, but in some instances, they might want to share that information. So it's sending information between systems, or in real layman terms, getting two systems to talk to each other. That's one way I'd like to explain it. So I do that through the use of Make.com. It was formerly known as Integromat. And with Make, it is possible to integrate to thousands of different applications with each other. One example that I'm currently working with a client is integrating quite a few different systems. So one of it is a point of sale system. There's some Google Sheets involved, and also a Glide app involved. So it's getting information to flow between those different systems and make sure that things end up in the right location. So the next question you might ask is, how do I offer these services? So I've got it split into two different options. So either fixed price. So that's usually when it's like a big project or a web app that I'm building. I'll price that up and give you a fixed price for that. Obviously, we can sort of adjust and make some changes. With those bigger projects, I like to deliver them in an iterative way. So think of it as in your traditional agile sprints. So we do a week of work. I'd like to demo that at the end of the week, and then we make any changes that's needed and sort of go again in the next week. Also, for the bigger SmartSuite solutions, it's probably better to price it at a fixed price if I know what's involved. The other option is sort of hourly, an hourly charge, if you like. So that's more for changes to a particular system or changes to an app. Or another good example is if maybe you've got a SmartSuite solution set up already, you might want to add some functionality or make some changes, but you're not quite comfortable doing that yourself. So that's an ideal situation where you can reach out to me, and I'd be more than happy to jump on there and sort of help you out. So I hope this has been helpful. I thought it would be a good idea to just, like I said, cover what I offer, how I offer that, what does it actually mean. And the next step is, if you're interested in any of this, it's for any business of any size that's looking at a better way to implement software that will empower their business, that you can adapt to fit to your processes, as opposed to you having to adapt to off-the-shelf system where you're kind of tied into how that works in terms of your processes in your business. So feel free to head over to the website, book a free discovery call with me, reach out directly on LinkedIn, send me a message or send me an email. And I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.